हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू एस क्लासेस। आज हम 10th क्लास के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस का जो सेशन हमारा चल रहा है इसमें आगे कर रहे हैं। इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम 2025, एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चन अकॉर्डिंग टू द सैम्पल पेपर गिवन बाय द CBSE बोर्ड, सिमिलर टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस चैप्टर वाइज वी आर डूइंग। तो चैप्टर टुडे 8th chapter up to 7th chapter we have done 10 lecture has been done on the important questions. Now today is the 11th lecture on the chapter number 8 up to 7 has been done. Okay, now this is the introduction of trigonometry. You know that important question on that. Question 1 is if 3 cot A equal to 4, find cos square A minus sin square A and 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A, and check both are equal or not. This also I am giving here, कि check both values equal or not. Clear? Now these formula you know, identities in the trigonometry. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. I want to repeat. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. And cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. Sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. Cot theta is the reciprocal of the tan theta. And sin theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta. Sin theta divided by cos theta. Okay, if both we are dividing, then is equal to tan theta. This also you remember. Okay, now this question how can find? Now this given 3 cot A is equal to 4, to make the right triangle with one acute angle A. Okay beta, with an acute angle A, let us suppose this is A. Cot A we can find from here. So cot of angle A is equal to a 3 multiply will go and divide 4 upon 3, and cot theta, cot of angle होता है हम जानते हैं रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ tan, यानी ऑपोजिट अपॉन एडजेसेंट का रेसिप्रोकल बेटा, एडजेसेंट अपॉन ऑपोजिट. ओके, वी शुड राइट रेशो कोट ए रेशो. व्हाट इज द रेशो कोट ए? एडजेसेंट साइड. वी शुड राइट एडजेसेंट साइड अपॉन ऑपोजिट साइड. दिस इज द कोट. ओके बेटा, opposite side. Okay, this is equal to 4 upon 3. तो means adjacent of angle A, angle A की, if triangle ABC, then this angle B is 90 degree in right triangle. तो opposite side of angle A, BC, adjacent side AB, then 4 unit in 4K, if 4K centimeter, and this is 3K unit. Okay, proportionally constant K, cancel if divide both. So then this will come by Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to square root of AC equal to, we can say, hypotenuse square is equal to square sum of the square of other two sides. Then hypotenuse is equal to square root of the sum of the square of other two sides. 3 square 9, 9K square, and plus 4 4 the 16K square. Then 9K square plus 16K square is 25K square. And then 25K square root will be root of this, that it will be equal to 5K. So then hypotenuse is equal to 5K. Hypotenuse is AC. तो लाइक दिस बाय पाइथागोरस थ्योरम वी कैन फाइंड. ओके, तो दिस इज योर 5k. तो थर्ड साइड like this we can find if any two sides given, any one trigonometry ratio given, then two sides given any two. We know what is that? Sin theta opposite upon hypotenuse, cos theta adjacent upon hypotenuse, tan theta opposite upon adjacent. Okay, तो like this शॉर्टकट मैंने आपको कहा था इसमें याद रखने को, ओ ए ओ डिवाइड बाई हा 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 हा, ओ ए ओ डिवाइड बाई हा हा. तो पहला ओ अपॉन एच अपोजिट अपॉन हाइपोटेनियस साइन थीटा, एंड दूसरा एडजेसेंट अपॉन हाइपोटेनियस दैट इज कोस, एंड थर्ड अपोजिट अपॉन एडजेसेंट दैट इज tan. तो दीज easy to remember in the shortcut. Okay, o a o upon h h a ha ha. So like this sin cos tan. Okay, now this done. Now we can find this sin square theta cos square a. So now find first direct. Okay, now first implies cos square a. Cos a, we know cos a value. Cos a is adjacent upon hypotenuse. Adjacent cos a अपॉन हाइपो. ठीक है बेटा, कोस होल स्क्वायर, दिस होल स्क्वायर. ठीक है, एंड माइनस साइन मीन्स opposite, opposite upon hypo whole square. Okay बेटा, then whole square, then solving adjacent, adjacent side angle A, यहाँ भी angle A, this angle adjacent side is 4k, 4 square 16, 16k square upon हाइपो 5k, 5 5 या 25 k स्क्वेयर. ओके, माइनस ऑपोजिट साइड ऑफ एंगल ए 3k होल स्क्वेयर 9k स्क्वेयर डिवाइड बाई हाइपोटेनियस होल स्क्वेयर देन 25k स्क्वेयर. k स्क्वेयर कैंसिल. ओके, देन व्हाट इज दिस? LCM is 25. Subtract. तो 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9. 9 7. 16. तो 7 upon 25. This is first part का solution. Now second we can do second part. What is second part? 1 minus tan square a upon 1 plus tan square a. तो 1 minus tan square a, tan theta 3 upon 4, 3 square 9 upon 16, reciprocal of cot tan, clear, यानी 3 upon 4, यानी tan means opposite upon adjacent. Done. This divide by 1 plus 9 upon 16, then LCM 16 minus 9, 16 minus 9 7 upon 16 divide by 16 plus 9 25 upon 16, then multiply 16 upon 25, 16 cancel, then it is also 7 upon 25. Check here, first and second both answer 7 upon 25. So I ask here कि this value and second part both are equal or not? Then these both are equal. You see, cos square a minus sin square a is equal to 1 minus tan square a upon 1 plus tan square a. Okay, for every a is a acute angle. So standard formula also will be applicable. This okay, this cos square a minus sin square a equal to 1 minus tan square a upon 1 plus tan square a. Done. Okay, now next question we can do. हाँ बेटा, question 2 is if sec a plus tan a is equal to 7, then then sec a minus tan a value is equal to A option 2, B option 1/2, C option 3 and D option 1/7. So this value we have to find. Okay, MCQ. So in this MCQ solution you can do how, you know one formula. Which formula? Sec square A, from this identity sec and tan, sec square theta minus tan square theta. तो sec square A minus tan square A, tan उधर चला गया, tan square A is equal to 1. This we know, ठीक है बेटा. This identity we have to use like this question. These three identity are there, so we have to use. Okay, we know this. तो इस आइडेंटिटी में यूज किया हमने क्या, इसके दो फैक्टर किए अलजेब्रा. ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर क्या होता है, ए प्लस बी इंटू ए माइनस बी. तो सेक ए प्लस टेन ए प्लस बी इंटू ए माइनस बी. तो सेक ए, ओके बेटा, सेक ए माइनस टेन ए, दिस इज इक्वल टू 1. Algebraic identity A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B, and then this value is given. Sec A plus tan A is 7, so this putting here 7, so this implies 7 into sec A minus tan A. Okay beta, as it is equal to 1. Now this 7 will go in divide, then sec A minus tan A, sec A minus tan A, this will be equal to multiply 7 divide by 7, then 1/7. So this, which option this? So this value is D option is correct. Okay, correct option D. D option is 1/7 answer. Done. So optional question like this you can do. Okay, yes. Next question MCQ. Okay, if sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a, if this true, if sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a, if true, then a is equal to first 30 degree or 0 degree or 45 degree or 60 degree. Option, which option is correct option? Now we have to take here both equal true saying. So then if you are putting 30 degree, so that will not be equal, because sin 60, 30 to the 60 is equal to 2 sin 30 will not come, because sin 30 1/2, 2 into 1/2, then 1, and sin 60 is not 1. So this is not true at this 0 degree. So if 0 putting sin 2 into 0, sin 0 degree, and 2 into sin 0, 0. So 0 into 2, 0. So at 0 degree, this is true. So what is given? This is true, for which A will be 0 degree. Okay, done. Correct option is the second part. So like this question you can. Haji, next question. That if sec A plus B is equal to 2 and sec A minus B is equal to 1, then find the value of A and B, where A plus B sum of both angle acute angle है, and in less than equal to 90 and greater than 0 degree, and here A greater than B. Okay, A बड़ा है B से, तो find करो A and B. How can find? Solution, we know sec, we know because sec of sec of how much degree is 2? Sec 60 degree is equal to 2 because cos 60 1 upon 2 and then reciprocal of cos sec, तो sec 60 2 because this we know, ठीक है. तो then it means कंपेयर किया इसको, 2 है ये भी 2 है, तो sec a plus b and is equal to 2. So we can say what? A plus b, डायरेक्ट आई एम राइटिंग. सो a plus b कितना हो गया? 60 डिग्री. ओके, नाउ वी हैव टू चेक विच एंगल इज इक्वल टू 1 इन द sec एंड 1 किसका है? sec ऑफ 45 डिग्री. इफ sec ऑफ 45 डिग्री, no, sec of 45 degree, not 1, sec reciprocal of that cos root 2, then यहाँ ले लो इसको root 2. If let us suppose this is root 2, okay, correct it, this root 2, then this if root 2, the we know the sec 45 is root 2, okay, because we know sec 45 is equal to root 2 because cos 45 1 upon root 2 होता है, cos 45, तो reciprocal than this. तो according to this and this, so a minus b is equal to 45. So a minus b is equal to 45 degree. Okay, so both equation these add, if we add both plus b minus b cancel, then a plus a twice a is equal to 60 plus 45 105 degree. Then a angle will be equal to divide by 2. 2 5 are 10 and 2 2 are 4, 1 decimal, 2 5 are 10. This a 52.5 degree. Okay, and now b we can find. So putting in 1, so a plus b is equal to 60 degree. And a is your 52, तो 52.5 plus b is equal to 60 degree. Okay, then angle b will be equal to 60 minus 52.5 degree, then it will be 10 minus 5 5 decimal, and then here 9 minus 2 7, and then as it is 5 minus 5 0. So this b will be 7.5 degree. So angle b 7.5 degree and a 52.5 degree. Okay, done. So like this you can do according to the given. We have to check that. So like this important question. Okay, now next question. Yes, next question is, if tan a plus 1 upon tan a is equal to 2, then find the value of tan square a plus 1 upon tan square a. Okay, how can find, or MCQ also it will be. Okay, okay, this option given answer. Okay, now solution of this, squaring both sides. Okay, स्क्वायरिंग बोथ साइड ऑफ द गिवन थिंग। ठीक है बेटा, लाइक दिस क्वेश्चन, होल स्क्वायर ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर tan स्क्वायर ए प्लस बी स्क्वायर मीन्स 1/1 स्क्वायर 1, then tan square a plus twice, okay, 2 into a into b, 2 into tan a into 1/tan a, okay, is equal to square of 2 is 4. Done. Now this value we have to find which one, tan square a plus 1/tan square a, this we have to find plus 2, this tan a multiply 1/tan a, tan a cancel, 2 1 जा 2, 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. तो see that कि tan a plus 1/tan a की वैल्यू भी 2 and tan square a plus 1/tan square a वैल्यू also 2. तो वैल्यू ऑफ दिस आंसर 2 सेम। तो कन्फ्यूजन हो जाता है, MCQ में दे सकता है ऐसा क्वेश्चन। ओके, इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन लाइक दिस वीक। हाँ जी, नेक्स्ट, this identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, we have to prove. It is in your syllabus, first identity proof, and similarly other two also we can do. Now I am telling, now what is the proof of this? This in a right triangle ABC, angle A is this angle A, let us suppose, ठीक है, A is any acute angle. Now sin square theta plus cos square theta 1 we have to prove. How? Using Pythagoras theorem, only standard, using Pythagoras theorem in right triangle. This is important, using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, this is important, Pythagoras theorem. Okay, what is Pythagoras theorem? What is Pythagoras theorem in right triangle? We know hypotenuse square, we know hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the square of other two sides. तो AB square, if angle B is 90 degree, तो hypotenuse AC, other two side AB and BC, तो AB square plus BC square is equal to hypotenuse square. Done. Okay, you see here what we have to prove, 1 alone side, single side 1 है, तो इस साइड 1 लाना है, तो अपने आप आ जाएंगे इधर, AC स्क्वायर से डिवाइड कर दो, तो डिवाइड बाई AC स्क्वायर, दिस इम्पोर्टेंट। तो डिवाइड किया इसको AC स्क्वायर को AC स्क्वायर से, तो 1 बन गया, इसको डिवाइड किया BC स्क्वायर इन ईच टर्म, डिवाइड बाई AC स्क्वायर इन दिस इक्वेशन। ओके, देन हेयर आल्सो AB स्क्वायर डिवाइड बाई AC स्क्वायर। डन। ओके बेटा, नाउ यू सी व्हाट यू गॉट, AB अपॉन AC होल स्क्वायर। तो AB, what is AB? Along with this angle, adjacent side AB. So this is adjacent side AB, adjacent side, ठीक है बेटा, this is adjacent side and AC is hypotenuse. Okay, hypotenuse side and then whole square, this plus BC, BC side is the opposite side with angle A, तो एंगल ए की अपोजिट साइड है बी सी, तो बी सी स्क्वायर अपोजिट साइड होल स्क्वायर, ठीक है बेटा। तो अपोजिट साइड विद एंगल ए दिस अपॉन ए सी हाइपोटेन्यूस, ओके बेटा, सिंपल। देन होल स्क्वायर अप एंड डाउन बोथ इज इक्वल टू 1 as it is 1. Okay, now adjacent upon hypotenuse we know, adjacent upon hypotenuse we know cos of angle A. So this is cos of angle A, then cos square A, angle A square हो गया, plus this we know opposite upon, this is sin and square, तो sin a का होल स्क्वायर देन साइन स्क्वायर a इज इक्वल टू 1. डन. सो लाइक दिस आइडेंटिटी प्रूफ बाय द बेसिक, वी नो बेसिक ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशोज. साइन मीन्स opposite upon hypotenuse, cos means adjacent upon hypotenuse, and tan means opposite upon adjacent. So like, yes, next question, prove that cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A is equal to 2 sec A. Prove that. So now proof of this, LHS, okay, LHS adding by taking LCM, okay, LHS LCM is 1 plus sin A into cos A. तो multiply by LCM, divide by the denominator, this cancel, cos A into cos A, cos square A. Generally how we are solving in the arithmetic, LCM to fraction. Similarly cos A से डिवाइड किया LCM को, cos A एक फैक्टर कैंसिल, 1 plus sin A left and 1 plus sin A in the numerator, then multiply, तो same 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A whole square, and whole square means A square plus B square, B means sin A, तो sin A square means sin square A, तो A square plus B square and plus 2 A into B, 1 into sin A, तो 2 sin A. This is whole square. Now simplify. Cos square A plus sin square A is 1 and 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay? Because we know identity sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. So 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2 sin A. Okay? Upon cos A into 1 plus sin A as it is. Okay, LCM is as it is. Now numerator having common factor 2 in the both term, then what left? 1 plus sin A. Okay, 1 plus sin A divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. Okay beta, denominator as it is. Now same factor cancel, then what left? 2 upon cos A, and 2 upon cos A means 1 upon cos A into 2. So 1 upon cos A is sec A, then 2 into sec A. Done. Is equal to RHS. Clear? Hence proved. We can do like this question. Simple. Okay. So now like, share and subscribe the channel and send the video to the maximum contact and guide them. They must watch, like, share and subscribe the channel and send the feedback in the comment box. Thank you.